Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Brazilian lemonade. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need 4 limes and make sure you wash your lime before you use it. I'm going to cut both ends of the lime and then cut it in 4 pieces. When making this recipe, I would say to be very picky with your limes. Don't get the ones with the wax on there. Although on the label it says it's coated with food grade wax, but I just don't feel good about that because there are other limes out there that doesn't have it. So if you could get it without it, get it without it for this recipe. But of course, if you're just going to squeeze the juice out of the lime, then it's no big deal if you get the one with the wax on there. I've been seeing this recipe go around and decided to try it, and oh my goodness, I am so glad I did. I have never been to Brazil, so I don't know if they really make this over there, but all I know that this is so good. Let me know in the comments if you have ever heard about this or if you make it and how do you make it. I would like to know. Okay, I'm going to put this in my blender. I'm adding 4 cups of water to that. Blend this only for 15 seconds, no more than that. If you do, it's going to taste bitter and you don't want that. Now you're going to strain this. I have to say, after I blended it and tasted, oh my goodness, it tasted like a margarita mix. So that gave me the idea that, you know what, all I need is a little bit of tequila and a little simple syrup and I'm good to go. I know I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself, but hey, a girl can always dream. This whole time I've been making my Belizean style lime juice and it never crossed my mind to blend the whole lime. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the blender. And I'm adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I know this looks like a lot of milk and it is, but you can make this to how you want. So when I made this recipe, I tested it with half a cup, with 3/4 cup of milk, with the whole can, and I have to say every level tastes different. To me, 3/4 cup tastes like the right amount, but when you put the whole can in there, oh my goodness, that just takes it to the next level. It makes it taste like a pie. I don't know how that is possible, but it tastes like a pie. Growing up in Belize, we used to always make lemon pie, but you know, our lemon is lime in Belize. So it tastes like that. It tastes like if you're having a piece of pie. All you have to do now is pour this over some ice and enjoy. The last time I made horchata, I was telling you how hot it was. And let me tell you, it is still hot. So this is just perfect for this weather. This is just the perfect amount of liminess and sweetness. I just love it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.